Before you spend hundreds of dollars at a mechanic, try these 5 secret car fixing tips that can solve most common car problems at home. And number 4, most mechanics won't even tell you this trick. Let's start. Tip number 1, always check the basics first. Before you worry about expensive repairs, take a few minutes to look at the simple things that often get overlooked. I call it the 5-minute rule. Spend just 5 minutes checking the basics, and you might save yourself hours of stress and hundreds of dollars. Most car problems are not as serious as they seem. Many times, it's something simple you can spot right away. Here's a quick checklist. First, check your battery terminals. Are they loose, dirty, or corroded? Tighten them and clean off any corrosion. Next, look at your fuses. A blown fuse can cause all sorts of electrical issues, from headlights not working to the car not starting. Then, check your fluid levels. Engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Low fluids can trigger warning lights or even prevent your car from starting. Also, make sure your gas tank isn't empty and your battery isn't weak. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage if you have one. 70% of starting or warning light issues come from a weak battery, blown fuse, or low fluids. These are easy fixes anyone can do. Sometimes the fix costs $0, so always start with the basics before calling a mechanic. Tip number 2, use an OBD2 scanner before replacing parts. Never replace parts blindly. Use a basic OBD2 scanner to read the code. For example, check engine light is on. Scanner shows P0301, which means misfire cylinder 1. That doesn't always mean a bad spark plug. It could be the coil, injector, or even wiring. This alone can save you $200 to $1,000. Tip number 3, reset before you replace. Many times sensors glitch. Before buying parts, disconnect the battery for 15 minutes or clear codes using a scanner. Modern cars sometimes throw temporary codes. After a reset, if the problem doesn't come back, you just saved money. But if it returns immediately, then you'll need to diagnose further. Alright, here's tip number 4, the swap test trick. This one's kind of a mechanic's secret, and honestly, it's super powerful. So, if your car's got a misfire, a coil issue, or maybe an injector problem, try swapping the part with another cylinder. For example, just move the coil from cylinder 1 to cylinder 2. If the error moves to cylinder 2, well, that part is bad. But if the error stays in the same place, then the problem is probably wiring or compression. This trick works on ignition coils, spark plugs, injectors, and relays. Mechanics use this every single day. Now, tip number 5, listen and observe before you touch anything. Your car, it always gives you clues. Ask yourself, is it a rough idle? Does it only happen when it's cold? Maybe only during acceleration? Do you smell anything burning or notice any leaking fluid under the car? Diagnosing these symptoms properly, it really cuts down on wrong repairs. For example, if your car overheats only in traffic, it's possibly the cooling fan. But if it overheats on the highway, that might be the thermostat. So, yeah, observation leads to a smart repair. Here's a bonus tip, don't ignore those small symptoms. Seriously, little problems can turn into big ones fast. Like a small coolant leak can lead to a head gasket failure, a weak battery might end up damaging your alternator, and brake noise, that can become rotor damage. So, fix things early and you'll save a bunch of money down the road. So before you rush off to the mechanic, go ahead and try these 5 secret tips first. You really don't need to be a professional, just be smart and systematic about it. And hey, if this helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your car problem below, and subscribe to Car Fix School for more real-world car fixes.